Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome to 365 WebX. And today I want to show you how easy it is to remove Howdy from your WordPress admin bar. All right, so I'm going to log in now into my WordPress, my newly installed WordPress. And I'm going to say, and then I'm going to also log into my cPanel. Okay, so this process we are going to use, a lot of people use plugins, but I'm not a fan of using plugins for everything, little thing that you want to do. Not that plugins are not good, but they they add up to um, the to the server, and most especially if you're using a cheap server. What I mean by cheap is if your server is it's not high enough, and then adding plugins contribute to, like, every little plugin. Okay, it doesn't matter how light that plugin is, it is adding up to your server workload, and I don't advise that. So here we've logged into I think I need to remove this. Okay, so here is, you can see this Howdy. Okay, you can see Howdy right here. Okay, we don't want this. Okay, I personally, I hate to see this. You don't want to finish a project, send hand over to your clients, and they have to have to deal with this. Like, why is this here? Okay, you can change it to maybe your company name, or maybe your client's company name. Okay, but not Howdy. So if you go down to plugins, there are tons of plugins that do a good job of removing uh, uh, that name, Howdy. And if you can see, maybe remove Howdy, you see a whole lot of plugins that uh, remove Howdy. You can see this one, 2000 installations, and a whole bunch of them. But I don't like this process. I won't lie, I don't like for every little thing. I don't know, it's there in your cPanel. um WP dash includes. So right click, edit, accept, and click edit. Yes, so here is our file, and what we want to do is go down to where it says, okay, I will advise that, so you don't go messing around or by mistake touch any one of this code. Press Ctrl F to find. On the Mac is Command F, and type in Howdy. So yes, you can see Howdy here, and what we want to change is this. You see this file on this line. Okay, this line. All right, so what we want to change is Howdy, and I want to change it to maybe something like this, Cobrans, and I'm going to save. Now let's go back to our website and refresh. Watch here. Oh, okay. You see the core branch there. So we go back and correct this. Is O, not capital. Okay. Something like this. Save. Go back and refresh. That was a mistake. So you can see right here, we have core branch, then our username here. Okay, so that is how you change, you know, Howdy uh, on your admin bar without having to install any of these plugins. Okay, so you're not adding more load to your server. All right, thank you guys for watching. Please do do subscribe to the channel and give the video a thumbs up if you do enjoy it, and let's continue the discussion under the comment section. Until next time, bye bye.